Right, hey there friends. Today we are looking at the Sony RX100. This is the Mark III version. And yeah, basically what we're going to be doing is formatting this to its default settings. It's a very simple process. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, in order to get this Sony RX100 back into its original default settings, these are the settings it comes from directly from the manufacturer, we're basically just going to do a simple process here. We're going to need to turn the camera on. And once the camera is on, what we're going to do is just hit this little menu button over here on the right. And it's going to take us to some menu settings. Now, instead of using the scroll wheel, I'm actually going to tap on the right-hand side here. And that is going to take us over to this little settings menu option here. From here, I'm actually going to press the down arrow, and this kind of takes me, make sure it takes me down into these functionalities. And then again, I'm going to press the right arrow, and as you can see, it scrolls through these this 1 through 6 menu options here. And we're actually going to go all the way to the end here, where it says version and settings reset. I'm just going to scroll down using the wheel to the settings reset. Now, if you just need to do a quick reset, basically this is just a quick reset of some of the settings, you can do that. I'm actually going to hit the initialization button, and this again is going to reset us to factory settings. Now you can see you get this little message that says, hey, this is going to restore the settings to their defaults. It's going to delete all the registered data. Are you sure you want to do this? I'm going to make sure I'm on OK, and I'm going to click that. Now again, it actually reboots after you click the OK button one more time here. So I'm going to hit that, and as you can see, the camera is now turned off. It takes about just a handful of seconds here, and as you can see, it automatically turns back on, and it's going to bring us to this initial set area time and date screen where you can begin your setup process. If you want to skip this, you can hit cancel and click OK on this screen, and as you can see, it goes right back to the default settings. We're all set to go, point and shoot. That's how you get it to the default settings, friends. I'm actually going to be reformatting the memory card on here now. If you need a link to that, check out our channel or the description link below. And if this has helped, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We got a lot more tutorial videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching, friends.